Okay guys, for today's video, i-explore pa natin yung Prudence Screen Reader. Kasi nung nakaraang video, ay itinuro ko yun kung paano magpalit ng sound feedback. At may konti ring exploration. So ngayon naman, i-explore natin ng buong buo.
Prudence Screen Reader.
Pasok tayo dito.
Prudence Screen.
Ito, Prudence Screen Reader.
Accessibility settings.
Sa accessibility settings, hindi tayo papasok dito guys kasi kapag papasok tayo dito, mapunta lang tayo sa settings ng ating phone, which is yung ginawa natin nung nakaraang video.
TTS settings.
TTS settings, subukan natin papasok dito.
TTS settings. TTS rate 50% out of 1. TTS is 50%. TTS
Ito yung
is
mga
1%
guys,
out of 10.
nandito yung mga rates, example mga speech rate ng Prudence Screen Reader. At saka guys, hindi ito gagana kapag hindi yung Prudence Screen Reader ang ginagamit mong yung TTS engine. Kasi sa akin guys, Elocoin yung ginamit ko. Kasi nasanay na ako sa Elocoins. Pero connected naman siya sa Prudence Screen Reader. Magamit ko rin naman yung mga features dito.
System default system. Radio button
System
check.
default system. Kung ano yung naka-on na engine sa phone mo, yun yung tutunog na talkback.
Google text-to-speech engine com.google.android.tts. Radio button check.
Ito yung Google TTS guys. Kapag i-select natin to, mapapunta tayo sa Google TTS, pero subukan natin i-select.
Google Text-to-Speech Engine.
Ito,
com.google, android.tts, radio button checked.
na Google TTS siya.
RH Voice.
Itong
GitHub,
RH Voice.
Olga_Yakov,
Ito yung mga-
RH Voice, Android radio button unchecked.
Ito yung mga nasa TTS engine ko. Ito yung mga RH Voice. Ito, subukan natin ng RH Voice. Maganda rin to.
Using RH Voice.
Ito RH Voice.
Prudence Screen Reader.
Itong Prudence Screen Reader. Yun guys, yun yung boses ng Prudence Screen Reader. Ito yung Elocoins.
ETI Eloquence using ETI Eloquence TTS.
Ito yung using ETI Elocoins TTS.
Google text system.
Pero ibalik ko siya dito sa default guys.
System default system using system default. System default system. Radio button checked.
Ito, check na yung system default. Ito,
System default system. Radio button checked.
ito.
System default system. Radio button checked.
Ito, check
Back
na.
button.
So, next,
Back
TTS
button.
engine ito.
Prudence Screen Reader. TTS settings.
TTS settings. Sa sunod naman ay dito sa
Verbosity details.
verbosity details. Subukan natin pumasok dito.
Speech usage. Off.
Speak usage. Alternate.
Speech usage. Off.
So, naka-off to guys. Hindi na natin to i-on kasi naka-default off siya.
Speech limit grid info. Off. Speech limit grid info. Off.
Speak less than grid info. So, hindi na natin to i-on kasi default na to.
Always speak number of list items. Off.
Always speak number with items. Nasa inyo na kung i-on nyo or i-off. Ang meaning ito guys ay
Always speak number of list items. Off.
palagi nang isasalta yung number kapag yung
Always speak number of list items. Always speak number of list items. Off.
always speak number of list item. Palagi niyang sasabihin yung number kung ano yung nasa item. Tingin ko hindi natin to i-on.
Speak element type. Uncertain.
Speak element type. Kailangan naka-on to guys kasi paano natin malalaman kung anong element yung napuntahan natin. Go, i-on natin to.
Speak window title. Off.
Speak window title. Sa ako guys, in-off ko na to kasi yung may speak window title, malalaman mo rin naman yan kapag nandun ka na sa mismong app.
Capital letters. Say capital. Uncertain.
Ito guys, kailangan rin tong i-on kasi kailangan nating malaman na capital letters na yung na-type natin. Ito, kailangan natin to.
Capital letters. Speak element IDs. Off.
Speak element ID. Ito guys, tingin ko hindi na to natin kailangan i-on.
Speak images. Uncertain.
Speak images. O ito guys, kailangan natin itong i-on speak images para malaman natin kung may image.
Speak color number. Off.
Speak color number. Speak.
Speak color number. Off.
Sa tingin ko guys, ito, nasa inyo na rin kung kailangan nyo bang i-on ito.
Use ringtone volume to announce the incoming call. Off.
Use ringtone volume to announce the incoming call. So, nasa inyo na yan kung gusto niyo bang i-on, kasi ako hindi ko na to kailangan i-on kasi hindi ko gusto yung ringtone.
Screen on voice prompt. On switch.
Screen and voice
Screen on voice prompt. On switch.
Screen and voice prompt. Ito guys, hindi ko naintindihan kung ano to. Pero ang hindi ko dito ay
Screen on voice prompt. On switch.
screen and voice prompt kasi naka-on na siya, i-on ko na lang.
Screen on voice prompt. On switch.
Ito guys, kailangan nito naka-on.
Voice prompt when screen is unlocked. On switch. Voice prompt when screen is unlocked.
Ito
On
guys,
switch.
kailangan itong i-on kasi naka-on yung default niya. So, hindi ko na to gagalawin guys.
Back button. Prudent screen reader. Verbosity details. TTS setting. Sound and vibration.
Dito tayo sa sound and vibration yung
Notifications. Sound and vibration.
ginawa natin yung nakaraang araw.
Audio. Vibration feedback. On switch.
Vibration feedback. Sa akin, in-on ko yung vibration feedback para malalaman ko kung nag-touch yung phone ko. Nasa inyo na rin yan kung gusto nyo bang i-on o hindi.
Audio ducking. Off.
Audio ducking. Ito guys, off ko na lang to. Audio ducking.
Sound feedback. On
Ito sound
switch.
feedback. Yung sound feedback, yung katulad dito.
Sound
Yung
feedback.
ganito,
On switch.
yung parang
Sound feedback.
cartoon.
On
Yung
switch.
itinuro ko sa inyo yung nakaraang araw.
Sound feedback volume. Match
Sound
speech
feedback
volume.
volume. Ito yung volume ng sound feedback.
Sound feedback volume. Match speech volume.
Match pitch volume.
Sound feedback volume. Match speech volume. 75% of match
Match
speech.
pitch volume na lang natin para pantay.
Back. Cancel. Button.
Para pantay yung tunog.
Sound feedback volume. Sound scheme.
Sound scheme.
Sound scheme.
Walang
Default sound. Uncheck.
naka-check dito guys. So,
Cancel.
ito
Button.
galawin kasi.
Sound effects management.
Sound effects dito yung magpapalit na sound yung ginamit natin.
NVDA. Import. But new sound effect.
New
Button.
sound effect dito yung mga dinownload mo.
Import. Button.
Ito yung import. Yung mag-import ka.
Browse files and other apps.
Yung
Recent files on phone. No items. Drive.
yung import mo sa yung
Back.
files.
Prudent screen reader. Download sound effects.
At dito guys,
Prudent screen reader.
dito mo i-download ang mga sound effects mo.
Page number 1. Search. Button.
Ito.
Button. Back. Prudent screen reader. Download sound.
Natin.
Prudent screen reader.
Wala akong internet guys kaya hindi ko makita yung mga ano.
Back. Prudent screen reader.
Hindi ko makita yung mga download. Yung natin
Mobile
yung
data. Mobile data
data ko.
off.
Subukan
Mobile
natin.
data. Mobile.
Ito guys. Naka-on na yung data.
Back.
Ito guys. Tayo lang natin. Naghang yung
Crisp and
Android
pleasant.
ko.
Download sound effect.
Ito guys. In-on ko na yung internet. Subukan natin.
Prudent screen.
Ito guys.
Voiceover visuals 23,092,000. 0. Multi-sound Talkback visuals. Voiceover original like. Apple 20. Voice view
Ito
and
yung
cameras
mga ano,
92. 0 downloads. 0 rewards. 13 like.
Ito yung mga sound feedback na pagpipilian natin.
NVDA IDers. 0.
Gusto
Discreto
natin
voice
download
IDers.
kung anong gusto yung
Sound to computer IDers.
sound feedback.
Voiceover
Pili lang
original
kayo
IDer
dito.
Carrera Java. 0. Back. But. Prudent screen. Back.
Okay. Back na tayo. Punta tayo
Sound
sa
scheme. Sound effects management. Back.
back pa natin.
Prudent screen. Sound and vibrate. Notification settings.
Dito naman tayo sa notification settings. Double tap natin.
Read post notification. Customize reading notifications only when screen is unlocked.
Customize reading notification. Subukan natin.
Customize
Ano to.
Do not read notification. Only when screen is locked. Only when screen is unlocked. Both when the screen is locked and
Kung
back.
ako sa inyo
But
guys, depende na rin to sa inyo kung anong i-on nyo. Pero sa akin guys, screen is unlocked na lang. Pero kung gusto niyo marinig yung notification na habang naka-off yung phone nyo, example, matutulog kayo tapos may nag-text, malalaman nyo kung sino yung nag-text, ganon.
read post notifications. On switching.
Read those notification, anong meaning ito?
Read post notifications. On switching.
Pero naka-on siya guys, pero i-on ko na lang to.
Read the notifications one by one and queue. Off switch
Read
off.
the notification one by one, pero ito guys, off na lang natin to kasi maingay to kapag marami kang notification na matatanggap. Pero nasa sa inyo rin naman kung gusto niyo i-on o hindi.
Read the source of an incoming notification.
Read
On
the source
switching.
on incoming notification. Ito guys, hindi nyo itong i-on kasi para malaman nyo kung ano yung nag-notify sa inyo.
Touch the screen to stop reading notifications.
Tap
Off
the
switch off.
screen to stop reading notification. Ito guys, i-off ko na lang kasi i-off ko na lang kasi naka-default.
Silence notifications during the
Pero
call.
nasa inyo
On
naman
switching.
kung silent the notification during the call. Ito guys, on to guys kasi kapag nag-call ka tapos may tumutunog, hindi mo marinig yung kausap mo.
Notification blacklist.
Notification blacklist, huwag kanting pasok.
Notification black. Use notification blacklist off switch off.
Naka-off siya guys, notification blacklist. Off
Back.
na lang natin.
Back. Prudent screen reader. Notification widlist.
Notification with list.
Notific-
Pasok tayo.
Use notification widlist off switch off.
Off na lang
Back.
natin kasi
Back.
naka-off rin siya.
Prudent screen reader. Permission to use notifications off switch off.
Permission to use notification, off na natin to kasi naka-off. Nasa inyo na
Back.
kung i-on
Button.
nyo. In-explore lang natin.
Prudent screen notification settings. Customize gestures.
Customize gestures na tayo guys. Pasok tayo dito sa customize gestures.
Swipe up move navigate. Swipe up move navigation focus backwards or adjust reading control up. Swipe up.
Swipe up. Pasok tayo doon.
Move navigation focus backwards or adjust. Move navigation focus forward or start or end selection mode. Move cursor to beginning. Move cursor to end. Select all.
Ito yung mga
Back.
guys, mga gestures.
Swipe up move navigation focus. Swipe up move navigation focus
hindi,
backwards
hindi
or adjust
gestures,
reading
guys.
control up.
Yung navigation is swipe. So, hindi natin
Swipe
to
down move navigation focus for. Swipe up move
Hindi na
navigation
natin
focus
to
backwards or adjust reading control.
pasukin.
Swipe down move navigation focus forward or adjust reading control down. Swipe down move navigation focus forward or adjust reading control down.
Ito guys, pasok tayo dito. Ano mga laman nito?
Swipe down. Move navigation focus forward or adjust
Kung ano naka-default guys, yun na lang ang
back button.
anuhin ko. Susundin ko kasi
Swipe down move navigation focus forward. Swipe down move swipe left previous item.
ito guys, ang naka-default ay
Previous item checked.
previous item check.
Back. One finger back and forth visible. Swipe up then down previous reading control.
Ito guys, tingin ko guys, hindi natin to dito sa hindi rin natin
Swipe
to
up then
kailangan
left. Back.
dito kasi ito yung mga actions ng talkback. Example, yung mga double tap, yung mga swipe, ganun. Kapag ginalaw natin to, mag-iiba yung actions ng talkback natin.
Prudent screen reader.
Mahirapan tayong mahirapan tayong gamitin.
Notification settings. Customize menus.
Customize menus guys, dito tayo.
Customize reading controls default navigation. Customize prudent screen reader menu copy last spoken phrase. Append last Customize prudent screen copy last spoken phrase. Append last spoken. Copy check. Append. Append check. Read from top. Read from next item. Focus on last item on screen. Check. Screen search. Scroll forward. Scroll back. Back.
Okay guys, ito guys, mga settings rin to sa reading screen reader na kailangan
Customize reading
na natin
Customize reading
kasi
controls.
kapag galawin natin to guys, maraming mababago sa
Default navigation. Check.
talkback.
Characters. Words. Lines. Paragraph. Headings. Control. Links. Landmarks.
Kapag
Back.
galawin natin to dito, katulad na rin to ng kanina, magbabago yung natin. Baka mahirapan pa tayo gamitin.
Back button. Volume shortcut key. Customize menus. Volume shortcut key settings.
Ito sa volume shortcut key settings.
Use volume keys to move the cursor in the edit box.
Ito
Off
guys,
switch off.
maganda rin to guys.
Use volume shortcut keys. Use volume. Use volume.
Ano to?
Use volume.
Naghahang guys.
Use volume shortcut keys.
Use volume shortcut keys.
Use volume.
Ano nangyari? Dahil nga,
Short press of the volume up key. Use volume shortcut keys. Off switch off.
use volume shortcut keys. Pwede mo gamitin yung volume na shortcut keys. Example.
Use volume. Use volume keys to move the cursor in the edit box. Off switch off.
Pwede mo gamitin yung volume para i-move yung yung mga talkback. Yung example, may nag-scroll ka, volume yung gamitin mo para example, basa yung kamay mo, pwede ito yung gamitin mo. Sayahin nyo na rin kung i-on nyo.
Short press of the volume up key. Increase volume.
Kapag i-increase mo yung volume, i-tap mo lang yung volume up key. Okay?
Short press of the volume down key. Decrease volume.
Hindi natin
Long press of the volume up key. Pause explore by touch.
Ito guys, pwede rin to. Kapag i-pause mo, itong press mo yung volume up.
Long press of the volume down key. Pause or resume speech feedback.
Ito guys, kapag i-zoom mo, ilong press mo yung volume down.
Double press of the volume up key. No actions.
Mga shortcut pala to guys. Walang actions na nakalagay dito guys. Pasukin natin kung
Double press of the volume. Increase accessibility volume. Unchecked.
pwede guys. I-increase mo yung accessibility volume, i-double tap mo lang yung volume up.
Increase volume. Unchecked. Back.
Marami pa
Button.
dito guys.
Extract links and numbers. No actions. Checked.
Kapag
Back.
iisahin
Button.
natin, matatagalan pala yung video natin.
Back.
Kaya
Button.
bilisan na lang natin guys.
Double press of the volume up key. Double press of the volume down key. No actions. Triple press of the volume up key. Double press of the label. Unchecked. Prudent settings. Pause or resume speech feedback.
So ito guys,
Unchecked.
sa
Double press of the volume down key.
double press the volume, pwede ka pumunta sa Proden Screen Reader settings mo. Shortcut
Increase
mo.
volume. Unchecked.
Increase volume.
Back. Triple press of the volume down key. Paste.
I-triple click mo yung volume, mapunta ka sa paste. Hindi, mapipaste mo automatically yung kinapi mo.
Press volume up then volume down keys. No actions.
Ito guys,
Press volume up then volume down keys. No actions.
volume down.
Press volume up then volume. Increase volume.
Increase volume.
Decrease volume. Decrease accessibility. Stop speech. Pause explore by touch. Pause or resume speech. Prudent setting. Label. Extract links and number. Back. Back. But.
Makatulad lang pala lahat guys ng laman. Depende lang sa iyo kung anong volume ang ano ang shortcut mo, ano ang
Long press of the volume down.
Subukan
Long
natin
press of the
guys
volume down key.
ang laman.
Increase volume.
Increase volume,
Decrease volume.
decrease
Increase accessibility volume. Unchecked. Decrease accessibility volume. Unchecked.
volume,
Stop speech. Unchecked.
speech,
Pause explore by touch. Unchecked.
post explore by touch,
Pause or resume speech feedback. Checked.
pause or down speech with
Prudent settings. Unchecked.
setting,
Label. Unchecked. Label. Unchecked. Actions. Unchecked.
actions,
Extract link. No actions. Long press of the volume down key. Long press of the volume. Prudent settings. Unchecked. Pause or resume speech feedback. Checked.
Okay,
Cancel.
cancel tayo dyan. Lipat na tayo.
Back. Medium. 0.
Okay,
6.
ito guys, yung volume na ano ko.
Slide bar 100%.
Sorry guys. Na ano ko yung volume. Pindot.
Back. Button. Page 2.
Next tayo, balik tayo
Prudent
guys.
string.
Proden Screen Reader.
Customizing physical key. Timer.
Balik na tayo sa
Volume shortcut. Customizing physical keyboard shortcuts.
customizing physical keyboard shortcuts. Ito guys, pasukin natin to kasi maganda rin dito guys. May magic tayo dito.
Read from top.
Read from top.
Please press the shortcut key you want to set.
I-press mo yung shortcut key you want to set.
Clear. Button. Cancel. Button.
Cancel natin.
Read from next item.
Read from next item.
Please press the shortcut. Cancel. Button.
Cancel tayo dito.
Recognize the text on screen.
Ito guys, i-click natin yung screen.
Please press the shortcut. Cancel. Please edit box. Cancel.
Ano pala to dito guys, kana yung may shortcut keyboard yung mga ano.
Text to speech disabled. Copy last spoken phrase. Copy. Append. Paste.
Paste.
Clipboard. Edit text on. Edit text. Edit menu.
Settings pala to ng keyboard
Focus
guys.
on last item.
So,
Back.
piliin tayo dito guys kasi ayaw kong may magkalaw sa keyboard ko kasi gusto ko nga yung adjust ng
Screen
keyboard
reader.
ko.
Customizing physical. Time settings.
Time settings guys.
Time sound alert. On solution. Enable time announcement. Off switch off.
Enable time announcement.
Time sound. Time vibration alert. On solution.
Vibration alert. Okay, ito guys, i-on natin. By
Back.
default. Yun yung yaman ng time.
Prudent. Timer.
Timer guys.
Timer.
Timer tayo.
Prudent screen reader.
May timer pala si Proden Screen Reader guys.
Please log in first. Button. Prudent screen. Do not have an account. Login. Button.
Dapat tayo mag-login dito guys.
Do not have an bag.
Ayaw ko na
Prudence
mag-login
screen.
dito guys.
Back. Button.
Kasi nagamit ko naman siya na hindi ako
Volume shortcut key settings. Timer. Novel reader.
Novel reader. Curious din ako guys kung ano naman ang novel reader na to. Subukan natin.
Reading mode. Open. Button.
Reading mode, open natin. Ito pala guys.
No items.
Dapat may text, dapat may
No items.
nakasulat
Back.
tayo
Button.
dito.
Reading mode.
Yan tayo, matagal lang tayo.
Back. Prudence screen reader. Tutorial. User center. Advanced setting. Novel reader. Advanced.
Dito sa advanced settings guys kasi marami ring kailangang adjustan dito.
Seating mode off switch off. Seating mode off switch off.
Tingnan natin yan.
Game mode.
Game mode, tingnan natin.
Game mode. Chrome. Unchecked.
Chrome.
Phone. Contact. Messages.
Message.
Setting. Play Store. Photos. Phone. Recorder. Video. Map. Photos. Back.
Wala tayong i-check dyan guys.
Read notifications automatically off switch off.
Ito, off na natin to guys. Katulad ng tunong kanina pero mas maganda pa dito kayo marami tayong ma-explore.
Read notifications automatically off switch off.
Ito guys.
Read notifications automatically off switch off.
Off natin yan.
Touch the screen to stop reading. On switching.
Maganda to guys. I-touch mo yung screen para ma-stop yung reading. Ito.
Use accessibility. Answering attending calls. Off switch off. Answering attending calls. Off switch
Off
off.
natin yan. Depende na rin sa inyo kung i-on or i-off.
Use accessibility volume. On switching.
Ito.
Use the proximity sensor to stop speech. On switching.
On lang natin.
Double tap input on switching. Single tap to activate. Off
Ito
switch
guys,
off.
kung gusto niyo yung single tap to activate, pero mahirap to sa mga totally blind guys. Ang gumagamit dito guys yung mga low vision ganun, yung hindi pa nasasanay sa double tap talkback. Pero ako guys, low vision ako, nasanay na ako sa double tap kasi yung single tap guys, mahirap yun dahil kailangan mo yung i-focus yung arrow ng talkback sa mismong item na pasukin mo. Ito, subukan natin. Ito.
Single tap to activate. Single tap to activate. Double tap input on switching.
Ito.
Single tap to activate.
Ito guys.
Home button.
Katulad
Page
dito,
2.
single tap na lang. Ganon.
Prudence screen. Prudence screen
Dapat
reader.
naka-focus guys, pero i-off ko to.
Double tap input on switching. Single tap to activate. On switching. Single tap to activate. Off switch. Home button. Page
Ito guys,
2.
nabalik na sa double tap. Bumalik na sa double tap.
Prudence screen reader. Double tap input on switching. Single tap to activate.
Yun
Off
guys.
switch. Remember position of the focused item. Off switch off.
Remember po sa item. Ito guys, off
Lift
lang yan.
finger to activate the system navigation buttons.
Off lang yan kasi naka-default.
Label management.
Level management. Pasok
Label.
tayo. Ay, wala naman. Back tayo.
Back. Prudence screen. System voice input settings.
System voice input settings. Pasok tayo.
Sandball suck rescue them now. Assist app Google. Access on screen text allow the assist app to
Katulad
back
doon ng
button.
guys.
Prudence screen reader.
Mapunta tayo sa Google.
Back button.
Tayo dyan
Back
guys.
button.
Back tayo.
Prudence screen. User center. Advanced settings. User center.
User center. Subukan natin to guys.
Prudence screen. Do not have an account. Back.
Hindi natin
Prudence screen reader.
account.
Tutorial and help.
Tutorial and help.
Feature guidance.
Feature guide.
Back.
Wala naman.
Prudence screen. Feedback.
Feedback.
Feedback. Enter the current email address. Edit box. Cancel. But
Cancel natin.
Prudence screen. About Prudence.
About Prudence.
About
So,
Prudence.
ito na.
Prudence screen reader is a powerful new generation screen reader, especially designed to make smartphones more accessible to people with visual.
Ito guys.
Back button.
Ini-stop ko na kasi masyadong mahaba.
Prudence screen reader.
So, yun lang yung laman guys ng Prudence screen reader. So, na-explore na natin. Medyo mahaba yung video natin guys. Pero,
Home.
sana may natutunan tayo dito guys. So, thank you for watching.
Tap to stop.